We are going to start today's session, and you know about the topic, the importance of doctor. So I am
Sir,
calling the
no,
names. Yes,
no, sir.
okay. I am calling the names of the persons who have given their names in the message box. First of all, I am calling Harshit. Come on,
Yes,
Harshit.
sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mora. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is the importance of doctor. As we all know very well that we are human beings and we need doctors to make ourselves fit and live a long life.
Hmm,
Uh, Doctors are very important in our life. At many places, they are known as the God. As God saves our life in this way, doctor saves our life in many ways. Uh, as from the back time, oh, sorry, sir. As from the past, you can see that there are many roles of doctors to make us prevent the from many diseases.
hmm,
Like you may take the example of COVID-19, which was very dangerous and harmful for us. For those things, the need of scientists and doctors also was required. And at the time, no one was out, and doctors and scientists were at that time to save our life. And doctors are very important to make us fit. Uh, and if we want to live a long life, we want doctors to prevent ourselves from the upcoming diseases and the diseases that are going on. Uh, in the past, doctors were not, and the Vedyas were there. But like Vedyas, the doctors are also present in our life nowadays. Uh, and doctors use many medicines for to treat our diseases. And doctors are the person who are known as God. At in many difficult situations, you may see that God saves us by chance, like if we are about to get accident,
hmm,
and by chance, if we get accident, then the other God, who is also known as doctor, will save our lives, and he is the only person who may make ourselves live more than we want. And nowadays, you can see that many doctors are there for specific diseases,
hmm,
like the diseases of our body, uh, mind, and many other.
hmm,
And those are the specific doctors to make ourselves fit, because a specific doctor can't prevent us from all the diseases that are present here.
hmm,
And nowadays there is uh, there is a lot of there are a lot of diseases that are going on nowadays in our environment.
hmm,
As we may see that there is too much global warming and CO2 is getting increased day by day. So because of these, the people who used to go to office daily, they may have the diseases. And if there were not doctors, then they could not be
hmm.
prevented by the harmful uh, CO2. They can be served because of doctors only.
Hmm.
And doctors are very important in our life. That's it, sir.
Very good. ठीक है बेटा, करते रहो कोशिश. शाबाश. Now, this is the turn of Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about doctor. As you all know that doctors are like a blessing for the people who are injured, or we can say who are suffering from any diseases. And the word, the meaning of the doctor is to help the is to help the persons who are to help the persons who have any problem in their health and etc. As you all know that nowadays there are many colleges in the world by which a person can become a doctor, and the role of the doctor is very important in our society. As if a person is a doctor, then everyone comes to him, and he will treat them. He will treat the persons who will come to him, and he will get the blessings of the persons. And the person who is doctor never get never caught any disease, because the doctor know how a person can felt how a person can become ill, and what type of medicine has to be given to the person who is ill. And if the doctors do not get injured, very, as you know that in our as you know that nowadays there is no disease which the doctors have, nowadays there are not and the diseases, and the doctors work every day in finding the medicines of the diseases which have not been cleared. Means that if diseases there are many diseases in the world, and there are not there are not medicines for that diseases, and doctors are working day every day to clean every day to find the medicines of that disease, and doctor plays a good role in a society. That's it.
Very good. Okay, beta. Take care. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is role of doctor. As we know, as we know that we all get diseases, and for that we all go to doctor, and doctor is a person who gives us treatment for according to our disease.
Hmm.
And by going to doctor we can make ourselves free from diseases.
Hmm.
And doctors are treated like a god, as they saves people life by providing him or her, by providing them with medicines,
Hmm. Hmm.
by which they can be fit
Hmm.
and fine, and they can do their work without any problem.
Hmm.
And the role of doctor is very important in a, a person's life, as if doctor will not treat them equally, if a doctor will not treat uh, people equally due to their some problems, or will charge more money,
Hmm.
then the value of doctor decreases, by which people get died, as they उनका भरोसा उठ जाता है.
They do not
Sir,
trust. They do not trust.
as they do not trust the doctor.
Hmm.
um, but in many ways doctors are very important, as in a सब महामारी को क्या बोलेंगे,
Epidemic.
in any epidemic,
Hmm.
doctors provide us with medicines that protect us from them.
Hmm.
Like we can take the example of an 18th century London epidemic, in which one-fourth population of London died due to it.
Hmm.
And also the example of 2019 COVID,
Hmm.
in which spread all over the world and killed almost a lot, and killed many
Thousands,
thousands of
thousands of people. Hmm.
thousands of people.
Hmm.
And that was solved by doctors, as they made medicines according to the disease.
Hmm.
And in many ways doctors are very important for that system.
Very good. Keep it up. And now, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about the role of doctor.
Hmm.
As we all know that occupations are very important
Hmm.
and have an important role to make a society or a country developed and
Shabash.
secured.
Very good. Very good.
Doctor is one of the occupations
Hmm.
which is very important for a society or a country,
Hmm.
because doctors are the because doctors are treated like a god in a society, because a real doctor is always ready to give treatment to the patient. If you call him or her at midnight, and then if you call him or her midnight, he or she is he or she will always be ready to give
Very good.
treatment to the patient.
Hmm.
And doctors play a very important role in a society, and doctors and the and doctors give treatment to the injured patient and or who are caught by the diseases, and helps them in recovering from the injury and diseases, and give advices to
Shabash.
and give them advices. And doctors and the lives of patients are in the hands of a doctor.
Very good.
And as we all know that, and doctors are, सर किसी का माइक ऑन है
हैं?
सर किसी का माइक चालू था
बेटा माइक बंद करना किसका चालू है दिख नहीं रहा बेटा मेरे को तो बेटा बंद कर लेना बेटा किसी का माइक चालू है तो बोल
सर
बेटा
हो गया
हाँ बेटा
यस सर सर यस सर डॉक्टर्स सर वो सर निभाना को क्या बोलते हैं
प्ले द रोल
Okay,
हाँ
sir. Yes, sir. Doctor, it is not easy to become a doctor, and it is more hard to play the role of a doctor
वेरी गुड
in the society. And as we all know that there are different types of doctors like homeopath doctor, allopath doctor, and Ayurveda doctor. They are classified on the basis of
शाहबाज
medicines
बहुत
and
बढ़िया
the way
हाँ
of treatment
वेरी
that
गुड
they use to treat a patient. And so if a person wants to be a doctor or is a doctor, he or she should play play his or her best to treat a patient. So that's it.
वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा नाइस थॉट्स कीप इट अप एंड यस नाउ यामिनी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today, my topic is the role of doctors. We all know that we all are the human beings, and we all play an role in
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो
important role to make a society, city, country, state, or nation. We can choose any role according to our interest. Like we can play the role of a policeman by choosing this role. Those we can save our surrounding by thieves, robbers, scammers, etc. Can also choose the role of lawyer. By this role, we can save bullied, tension. A person who is very tense by anything. So all the all the roles have their own values. But a role which is the most important role in our in a making of nation is the role of doctor. It is a very typical role because 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 in this role, if a doctor do any mistake, the life of patient cannot be saved. The role of doctor is very important for us because doctors save our life. Doctors treat like as God. The passion of doctor cannot be easily achieved.
वेरी गुड
We have we have to we have to give too much too much difficult examination. We have to clear so many exams. After it, we get a good college. So the job of doctor is not easy. If some doctors do their shifts at night, which is too difficult, but they do because they want to make to, to save our life. The doctor do not take take any holiday on fun- uh, on functions and festivals.
शाबाश.
They they always on their duties.
Very good बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
They give their best. They give their best effects to save our life. Some doctors give treatment to those people who cannot fee all. They cannot pay all the fee of the hospitals. They they give them treatment outside of hospitals. There are so many colleges which give us best doctors in every year,
Very good.
like SMS, etc. So we should respect the doctors. Thank you, sir. That's
Very
it.
good. Very good. शाबाश. Okay बेटा. And now, yes, I think this is the turn of Komal. Come on, Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa. I am the student of Ramban Online Instructive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is the role of doctor. We all know that we live in society, and there are many types of people. They do different types of works. Some people are doctors, engineers, teachers, firemen, policemen, and etc. And they do their work best for their family and also country, and doctors are one of them. We all know that doctors are very important for us and they save our life also, and doctors are very important for our life, and in in every situation they save us, and they doctors study very high, very doctors study very highly because to become a doctor, and doctors uh, doctors do their work best. And if we all know that there are in our country there are many big hospitals in which very big and good doctors work there because they treat their patients, and doctors provide us medicine, best medicines to according our disease.
शाबाश बेटा.
And doctors have very good knowledge about the medicines and diseases, and doctors save us in every situation. We all know that we can take example in the 2019 there was a pandemic, big disease corona, and in that time all servicemen did their work best, but
शाबाश.
doctors did their work very best because they treated us, and they didn't worry their life. They did worry all people, and they made many types of medicines, and they made vaccine to all, and they save our life. In the present time we can feel safe from that disease, and in that way we can say that doctors are very important for our life, and doctors in the earth
earth.
in the earth
On the earth.
sorry, sir, on the earth doctors are god for us, and we should respect all doctors and all servicemen. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good. ये बेटा जिनको आप देख रहे हो ना, ये सब स्टार्टिंग में सब बिल्कुल ये बिल्कुल नए नए थे जब इनका ऐसे ही था, लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस से ही आगे। मैं बस केवल यही आपको मोटिवेशन देना चाहता हूँ कि चिंता मत करो आप। इनके थॉट्स भी सुनवा देंगे किसी दिन आपके क्या थे। नेक्स्ट टाइम जब कोई भी फीडबैक लेंगे तो सुनना आप ये लोग क्या बोलते हैं। ओके, एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today our topic is the importance of doctor. Uh, as we know that we live in society, and there are many types of occupations like engineer, teacher, shopkeeper, banker, etc. And doctor is one of them. And are doctors are very important for our life because with the help of them we can live for long time. And they are considered second God because in every situation they advise us. And we can take an example of it. And there was a pandemic in 2019. That time the situation was very difficult, but doctors were always ready for
शाबाश।
to cure us. And they do hard work the whole day and night. And we know very well that on festivals we have holiday, but on the festivals doctors don't have any holiday.
वेरी गुड।
They have to do their duties. Uh, and there are many kind of doctors like uh, like muscles doctor, and hair doctor, and eye doctor, and heart doctor, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश,
and
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ।
they all serve a good work for their family and also for their society. So at last I want to say that we should respect them. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। एंड नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ तनिष। कम ऑन तनिष।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. Today my topic is role of doctor. As as we know that doctor is very important for our life. There are many types of doctor like homeopathic, Ayurvedic,
शाबाश,
etc.
वेरी गुड।
There are many NEET coachings and the coaching give many doctors in every year.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ।
We prepare NEET exam so we can become a doctor. But some doctors give money and become doctors, so they doctors play. They doctors play.
These doctors play
These doctors play people life.
play with people's life।
Play
शाबाश,
with
बहुत
people
बढ़िया।
life.
हाँ हाँ।
And doctor give medicines, best medicines and best treatment. In 24-hour doctor is available for
us।
us. Yes, sir. That's
ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तूने। बस करते रहो बेटा। तुम्हारा तो अब शुरू होगा एक्चुअली, तुम्हारा स्पीकिंग तो अभी B18 वालों का तो बहुत ज्यादा हमने करवाया ही नहीं, पर बहुत अच्छा है बेटा। यस, कम ऑन अनुष्का। अनुष्का।
Hello everyone.
हाँ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Anushka and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today's our topic is the role of doctor. As we as we all know that doctor plays a very important role in our life. As a doctor, there are many other occupations like police, soldiers, etc. They all play their role. They all play their role in their places. But in my opinion, the doctor plays a very important role because it saves the life of the people. If the doctors if the doctors are not here, then people will not live. If the people will not live, then our nation cannot develop.
हाँ बेटा
In
शाबाश
ancient time, doctors were known as Vedyas, but now they are called as doctors. They uh, they work 24 hours. Uh, uh, they do not think about their lives when they do their work. Uh,
शाबाश 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 बेटा
in
एकदम हाँ
the in the very big epidemics like corona in 2019, they even didn't think
शाबाश
about their lives. They did not met their family for many days. They only lived in hospitals for to save the life of the people. They also play very important role in our
शाबाश शाबाश
army occupation also.
हाँ हाँ
The soldiers stand on borders to save the people of our country.
वेरी गुड
But the
नाइस
doctors are the
कंपैरिजन शाबाश
people.
हाँ हाँ बेटा बोल
But
बेटा
doctors are the people who save the soldier's life. When the soldier is hurted, then the doctor recover him or her. So doctors play a very important role in our life and we should respect them. That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश बेटा कंपैरिजन बहुत अच्छा किया बेटा बहुत नाइस वेरी नाइस कंपैरिजन शाबाश ये बेटा बेटा गुड गोइंग उमेश
Hello everyone, I am a student of Ramman Interactive Classes from batch 19.
कैमरा चालू कर ले बेटा तेरा कितना अच्छा लगता है दिखता हुआ बोलता है तो हाँ बोल
Sir, today my topic is doctor. Doctor are very important role in our life.
डॉक्टर हैज
Doctor,
बोल तू बाद में समझाऊंगा हाँ
doctor treat sick people. The doctor always speak truth. The doctor is like God for human beings. There are different field of doctors. There are about 13 lakh doctors in India, and there are many hospitals in India. The duty of doctor is very hard, and the study of doctor is very hard. There are many doctors. The duty of doctor is 20/7. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड शाबाश कोशिश करते रहो बेटा बस
Yes, sir.
स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश आज थोड़ा है तो कल ज्यादा भी हो जाएगा कोई टेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है शुरुआत होनी
Yes.
चाहिए बस यस रौनक
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I read in Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18, also batch 19. Today's my topic is the role of doctor. As we all know that we all are human beings, and there are many problems in a human body, and doctor can solve our problems. Doctor is only persons they whom work day and night. There are nurse take care of doctor take care of patient. the doctor is very important in forever.
बैठ जाना
And
एक जगह, तू घूम क्यों रहा है? सांस फूल रही है तेरी, ऐसे कैसे बोलेगा? बैठ जा एक जगह आराम से।
doctor care society's health. Uh, there are many big doctors, just like Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dr. Abdul Kalam is very big doctor. And,
कहाँ से पागल है बिल्कुल डॉक्टर। आजा आगे बोल। वो डॉक्टर क्यों है वो बाद में बताऊंगा मैं तुम्हारे को। वो वाला डॉक्टर नहीं है वो जो तुम पूछ रहे हो।
डॉक्टर सर देने को क्या बोलेंगे, डॉक्टर अपने पूरे एफर्ट देते हैं।
तो देने को तो गिव बोलते हैं ना भाई। कहाँ तू इतना कंफ्यूज क्यों हो रहा है तू?
डॉक्टर गिव आवर फुल एफर्ट्स।
आवर क्यों? हिज फुल एफर्ट्स आएगा, हमारे एफर्ट्स देगा वो, अपने खुद के एफर्ट्स देगा।
फुल
इतना कंफ्यूज हो रहा है तू, हड़बड़ा रहा है पूरी तरीके से। या तो कहीं से दौड़ के आया है, कहीं दौड़ के जाना है तेरे को। बोल।
डॉक्टर इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट।
मजा नहीं है यार, इतना हड़बड़ाहट, एक भी सेंटेंस ढंग से नहीं बोला तूने आज। क्या रे यार, इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना है। सेल्फ राइटिंग में यही टॉपिक है तुम्हारा, सबके लिए यही टॉपिक है। सेल्फ राइटिंग में B18 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, B18 और 19 के लिए। ओके, यस, कम ऑन कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is important. Importance of doctors. As we know that an engineer who repaired a vehicle, same way doctor repair our body.
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। क्या कंपैरिजन किया है यार, आगे बोल।
In simple way, doctor is a person who can save our life. Yes, sir. Doctor, there are many types of doctors such as brain doctor, legs doctor, hands doctors, etc. There are many popular hospitals such as SMS, Wrongton, etc. They are popular because their treatment is very nice, and they give their full effects.
Best efforts, हाँ, they make their best efforts. आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. Doctor, an engineer gives us
तो ध्यान इधर उधर जा रहा है बेटा। चल कोई बात नहीं है, थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हो जा। ओके, यस, नाउ प्रिया, कम। प्रिया।
यस सर।
बोल बेटा, कैमरा चालू कर बेटा। हाँ बोल।
Good evening everyone, my name is Priya Meena and I'm the student of Ramban Basic English Classes. Today I'm going to speak upon the topic, the role of the doctor in our life. सर कैमरा ऑफ करके बोलूं?
अच्छा बोल बोल।
Yes sir. A doctor's life in our society is very important. He is the most valuable person in our society. We can see a doctor in very busy person because we can see a doctor is very busy person because most of the time they spend their time in the hospital and he has the power of changing a sick man into the healthy man.
Very good.
Uh, the doctor is also called God because they give a new birth to humans. I think a doctor is most brave person because he sees the injured person in his whole life.
Shabash.
The doctor never sees the patient's caste, religion, and gender.
Shabash.
He always gives his best. And we don't have any idea that how many problems a doctor faced in his life
Very good.
during his treatments. And the doctors are the great volunteer of our society. We have the biggest example of doctors' contribution in the corona time, that how they sacrifice their life in treating the sick persons. The doctors the doctor gives the medicines to every person on his own responsibility, because everyone can't give the medicines to the patients, because it is the great responsibility. I think a doctor is the the great person of our society. That's it.
Very good. Shabash beta. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Yes, now this is the turn of Geeta. आजा बेटा. Geeta.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Geeta. Today my topic is importance of doctor. As we all know that what is the importance of the doctor in our life. The role of doctor in our life is like a god. We all celebrate National Doctor Day on 1st July because they are know the importance of doctor. Doctors work in clinics and hospitals. Doctor is a person who help to keeps human health in healthy.
हेल्दी
Doctors
बोल बेटा शाबाश बेटा बोल तू हो जाएंगे सब ठीक बोल.
doctors help patient to get relief from their pain. Become a doctor is not easy task.
Very good.
Doctor cannot afford to make any mistakes because their mistakes can lose patient life. Many types of doctors are available. Some doctors are careless, but most of doctors are serious for their duties because they believe in humanity. There are many types of profession, but the brave people is choose the profession of doctor.
ठीक है बोल.
Doctors take a different type of patient in a day. We can understand easily the role of doctors in the COVID period. We can say easily doctors are the face of God. It helps patient to recover their pains.
Very good.
At last I say, please we should respect doctors because they are real hero in our life.
Very good.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. And now.
Thank you, sir.
Very good बेटा. Lakshmi Gujar.
Yes, sir. Today I am speaking about the doctor. Doctor is very important for human beings and many animals.
शाबाश
There are many type of doctors like head doctors, teeth doctor, etc. Doctor is a doctor is the most important person for our life because the doctor give their
सर्विस हाँ शाबाश हाँ बेटा
give their service. Doctor provide medicine. Doctor there are many hospital in which there are many doctors work hard. Doctor there are many doctor give good health. Doctor don't doctor don't become easily. There are many coaching give many doctor doctor that's it.
ओके बेटा कोई बात नहीं बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है बेटा बस हो जाएगा अभी अपन चालू करेंगे बेटा तुम्हारे बैच में भी अच्छे से यस नाउ इज देयर एनीवन युवराज वेयर इज योर नेम लक्ष्मी महावर युवराज हरी अप यस लक्ष्मी कोई भी नहीं जैसा भी आ रहा है वैसा बोलो कोशिश करो बस यस कम ऑन लक्ष्मी महावर एंड युवराज
sir.
राइट डाउन योर नेम हरी अप
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू कर बेटा हाँ बोल
Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Mahavar. Today topic is the doctor. Doctor is a very important person in our life. Doctor treatments of people. Doctor helps president
प्रेसिडेंट नहीं पेशेंट्स
eat medicine and injection. Doctors work in a hospital. Doctor gives advice people for health. The doctor Doctor Days is celebrated on 1st July. Doctor wears a white coat dress. Doctor is a hardworking person. Yes, sir.
ओके यही टॉपिक है तुम लोगों का B18 वालों का सेल्फ राइटिंग में ओके यस नाउ इज देयर एनीवन युवराज कहाँ गया इसका तो मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा और कोई बस युवराज ही बाकी रह गया बाकी तो अच्छा यस नाउ ओपन योर कैमरास थैंक यू